Ayun nga. Magagawa ako ng bahay na maliit. Ano kaya? Itong block na to. Yan. Ang place. Ay, kailangan bilog. Hanap ako dito ng bilog. So, pwede to. Ay, dito pala. Ba't ako nagbura?
It's free demo shooting. I'm so scared. Let's go. Okay, guys. First outfit. With that, with the shade, and some of these things. We feel it from shade. This is for our third layout. You can see we just did some all black
Ano? Just a small house. Yan, diba tayo? Patay tayo ng house dito. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 na ba? Okay na. 12 ko lang to. 13, 14, 15. Ayan, 15 lang. 15 blocks for a day. Joke lang. Ay, nauntog pa. Wait lang, pause ko muna. Ha? Paano to i-pause? Ano to pause? Ay, bawal. Nag-ads pa nga. Bakit kasi nag-ads? Nagre-record ako, ha?
Ay, ang flip-top ko kay Darwin na kalbo. Kalbo mo sa mga tao.
Ha?
Bakit madali lang eh?
Kudiri ka eh. Huwag kang maingay, nagre-record ako eh.
Bakit?
Bakit ka dyan? Papansin ka dyan. Natanggal pa yung charger.
I'm 16. I mean, a few days I'd do it. Right? We have a 12-year-old. Shit. Do you want to audition today?
Jordan Fuller, I'm 19. How are we going to
Grandma.
There's an element of boring. I'm always zoning out. Something nervous. Got to go. Thank you. See you after. Let's go.
Medyo na ako.
It's added pressure now that I have to worry about my sister, but I am more focused on myself and what I need to do. If you're not in the right zone, then your voice will crack, or like you'll mess it up, or you'll go pitchy. That'll play through my head. That's terrifying.
Bye-bye muna. See you sa part 2.